Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your headphones SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2. And we can use the control to call voice assistant. All controls you have at the right headphone at the bottom, so between volume control we have multifunctional button, and you need to press 2 times at this button to call voice assistant. So now let me press on it 1, 2, and as you can see I just call Gemini. If you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant, not Gemini, or maybe you have the Samsung, you will call the Bixby. And we cannot change this control. I mean, we cannot add this feature to another control. In the application, we have no options to customize the gestures, no, the controls. As you can see, no option, and this one is the only way to call your voice assistant. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!